At Kommand, we want to demystify machine control so it makes it easier for our customers to get on and do what they do best. One of our core values at Kommand is we want to make anyone who moves dirt to do it easier, faster, more consistent and safely. We'd love you to consider Kommand as an extension of your business. You move the dirt and we can be your machine control champions. So we've made some videos about machine control. We want to maximise your return on investment, and we know by providing a video guide, this will help you do it. The video series is also a quick reference guide to save you a phone call and maximise your uptime. If you haven't used your Unicontrol system for a while, the video series can also help you get back on track and learn all those ins and outs that you knew before. We know this video series is going to help you with your Unicontrol system. If you need any more information, check out our website, kommand.com.au, give us a call or check out our socials. Thanks guys.